In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split text to columns in Google Sheets. If you've ever imported a list where names, codes, or addresses are crammed into a single cell, this feature will save you time and headaches. Splitting text into separate columns lets you organize data cleanly, so you can sort, filter, and analyze without manual cutting and pasting. Start by opening your Google Sheets document so you're looking at the data you want to clean up. Next, highlight the cell or the range of cells that contains the text you want to split. You can select a single cell if only one entry needs fixing, or drag across multiple rows and columns if you're working with an entire list. Keep in mind that Google Sheets will place the split pieces into the columns to the right of your selection. If there's data sitting in those columns already, it may be overwritten, so make sure there's enough empty space to the right before you proceed. Now, go to the top menu and click Data. From the drop-down, choose Split Text to Columns. As soon as you select that, you'll see a small separator menu appear at the bottom of your selected cells. This is where you tell Google Sheets what character separates the pieces of your text. Choose the delimiter that matches your data. If your values are separated by a comma, pick comma. If there's a single space between parts, choose space. If your data uses semicolons, common in some exports, select semicolon. And if your separator is something else, like a hyphen, a colon, or another character, choose Custom and type that character into the field. The key is to match the exact character used between the pieces of text. For example, if your entries look like city, state, using a custom hyphen will split them correctly. If your data contains spaces within meaningful values, avoid using space as the delimiter, since that would split those values apart. Once you select the right delimiter, Google Sheets instantly splits the text. Each time the delimiter appears, the content to the right moves into a new column, neatly aligning across your selection. If the result doesn't look right, use Undo to revert. Then try a different delimiter that better fits your data. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed messy text into structured columns, ready for sorting, filtering, and analysis.